From Pilot Edge, there is now a quick search available in the concept menu and the tags menu. This can speed up the process of finding what you need. So if I'm looking for a sports concept, but I'm not sure the full name, I can write SP here, and we get listed all concepts starting with these letters. The same goes for tags. I know many of you don't use tags, but it can really be a good thing to mark out templates. Here I can search for templates marked with the lower third tag, for example. But tags can be used in many ways. They can also refer to workflows or work positions and so on, and that is all up to you how you want to use those tags. But the bottom line here, both tags and concepts now has this quick search.